So hello everyone, I'm back, and in the first video I was showing you how to block. So this video I finished my hip length cardigan. I did, block the pockets, so those on, I think I'm going to run a steamer across the pockets again, kind of make them look professional. I added the buttons that I bought at Joann Fabrics, and I am done. So stay tuned, I will wear this for you. Show you later on how it fits on me. But before I do that, I did use the Barnett Baby Sport, and this is actually a 3-ply. So with the 3-ply on this pattern, it wants you to use, I don't know what it wants you to use. I never actually follow the yarn recommendations on these because they tend to be, either I can't find them at Joann's or anyplace else, or they tend to be too expensive. So with the coupon at Joann's, I got this for $6.99, this big ball. But it actually took me one and a little bit to do the band and the pockets and everything. So I have quite a bit left over. So this sweater total cost, I want to say maybe $10 or something like that. If you add in the buttons, they were 8 of them for $3.99 in a package. I used a coupon, of course, which was 50% off, so you do the math on that. What I do, I'll put a link down at the bottom to let you know what pattern this actually is, because it comes in waist, hip, and the long version pattern. I used a size 6 for the ribbing, needle size 6 for the ribbing, and then a needle size 7 for the rest of the body. And the swatch came out perfect. I love it. This doesn't have this pattern in it. If you can see this pattern, it's kind of like a zigzaggy type pattern down here. Can you see that? There you go. And it's called a chevron lace, or lace chevron. I just found the stitch on Pinterest under knitting stitches. I incorporated it into this particular pattern. I did not like the whole beaded honeycomb one. I thought it would be too thick of a sweater for springtime, so I just ended up doing my own little addition to it. And if you can see on the back, it goes around the back and the front. Hope any of this was helpful to you. Until next time, and please don't think that this is the only sweater I'm making. Everyone that knows me and every knitter and crocheter out there knows we always have 2-3 projects going at one time. I did go back to Joann's and buy a different color of this same baby sport yarn, so I'll be making another one of these. But I do want to appreciate you for tuning in. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to see my upcoming articles I'm making. Thank you. Until next time.